Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're a farmer tuning in, you already know the deal. Farming is honestly just as much about managing risks as it is about planting seeds, right? Unpredictable weather, it's literally the ultimate wild card. But today, we're going to look at how technology is finally shifting those odds back in your favor. We are going to walk through the AgriShare app, specifically focusing on how it acts as your trusted partner in protecting your livelihood through its super short crop insurance feature.
Okay, before we really dive in, I just want to start with a massive, heartfelt thank you. To all the farmers joining us today, thank you. You are the backbone of our communities, and choosing the AgriShare app really shows your dedication to securing your harvests. That AgriShare logo you see, it isn't just an app icon, it represents a real commitment to reliable agricultural empowerment. And we want to make absolutely sure you get the most out of this tool.
So here is our roadmap for today's walkthrough. First, we'll look at AgriShare crop insurance. Second, getting your custom quote. Third, breaking down the costs. And finally, submission and next steps. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. AgriShare Crop Insurance. Discovering your safety net.
Right off the bat, the AgriShare interface is built to be incredibly user-friendly. Right here on the main insurance dashboard, under where it says Compare Crop and Livestock Cover from verified insurers, your eye is immediately drawn to that SuperSure crop insurance option. And notice that bright green automatic payout tag? Let me tell you, for anyone who's ever dealt with traditional, agonizingly slow insurance claims, seeing those two words is a total breath of fresh air.
So, what's the magic behind that automatic payout? It's called Weather Index Insurance. Basically, instead of waiting around for an insurance adjuster to manually drive out, inspect your farm, and try to assess the damage after a disaster, this policy automatically triggers payouts based on specific, recorded weather conditions. If a severe drought hits your specific region, the system already knows, and the payout process just begins. It is an absolutely brilliant way to save weeks of stressful paperwork.
When you select the SuperSure option, you're presented with verified insurers, like AgriShield Insurance here. You'll see helpful little tags noting drought and Uganda, so you know for sure you're in the right place. But the real standout detail here, that massive maximum coverage cap of 20,000 million Ugandan shillings. I mean, whether you're running a modest family plot or a much larger commercial operation, that is a serious safety net, ready and waiting for you.
Moving right along to Section 2, getting your custom quote. Quick and easy. Now, getting a quote takes, no joke, literal seconds. There are no endless, confusing questionnaires. You just enter the number of acres you want to insure and your crop type. Type in 3 for acres, maize for the crop, hit calculate premium, and boom, you're done. It is just effortlessly simple to tell the app exactly what you need protected.
Section 3. Breaking down the costs. Complete transparency.
Immediately after calculating, you get this premium breakdown screen. For our 3 acres of maize, the app automatically calculates a really impressive insured value of 1,800,000 Ugandan shillings. And right below that, every single cost is itemized. You can see the gross premium is 180,000. It shows the government subsidy, which happens to be 0 in this specific instance, and it clearly lays out the processing fee of 40,000 shillings. There is absolutely no guesswork. The math is done right in front of you.
Which leads us to this final highlighted number at the bottom, 220,000 Ugandan shillings. That is the exact you pay amount for our 3-acre maize example. By putting this final figure front and center, the AgriShare app makes it crystal clear that there are 0 hidden fees. You know exactly what your peace of mind is going to cost before you even think about applying.
All right, Section 4. Submission and next steps. Securing your future.
The moment you hit apply, the app runs this seamless, instant eligibility check. It cross-references your profile and gives you a green check mark confirming your farm scale match. This is super reassuring because it validates that your specific farm profile perfectly aligns with the policy you just customized. No wasting time applying for something that doesn't actually fit your scale.
Next up is your final summary, the proposal form. It confirms you're getting SuperSure crop insurance, your insurer is AgriShield, and your premium is 220,000 shillings. And below that, the terms. The AgriShare app doesn't try to hide these in tiny, unreadable fine print. It plainly states the rules. Your details must be accurate, the insurer will review it, and the policy issues after approval. To officially apply, all you do is tap that green toggle to agree and hit Submit Application.
And there it is, the successful submission screen. Honestly, it's a moment to celebrate because you just took a huge step in protecting your hard work. You're immediately handed a unique tracking ID, like 148792 right here. That means your application isn't just floating out in the void. It's logged, it's trackable, and you can always check exactly where it stands just by tapping the Track Application button.
To take all the final guesswork out of the entire process, the app outlines exactly what happens next behind the scenes. It's just 3 simple steps. Step 1, your insurer reviews the proposal, usually within a few working days. Step 2, you might be asked for some extra docs or a site inspection, though remember, with weather index insurance, the payouts later on are often automatic. And Step 3, once approved, your policy becomes active. You're officially covered.
As we wrap up this explainer, we really just want to deliver one more massive thank you to all the hardworking farmers out there. Your resilience literally feeds our communities. Thank you so much for trusting the AgriShare app to help secure your crops and your livelihoods. The AgriShare logo really stands for a community of empowered, protected agricultural professionals, and we are just thrilled you're a part of it.
So, I'm going to leave you with this one final thought. The climate might be totally unpredictable, but you know what? Your financial stability absolutely doesn't have to be. We've seen how fast, how transparent, and how incredibly easy this whole process is. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to open your app, get your custom quote, and let the AgriShare app protect your next harvest today?